As you can see in the daily life of a middle-aged online shopper in Another World episode 2, after spending the night with beast folks and a cat girl, Kenichi came back to his room. The girl from the restaurant told him that he could spend the night with her instead of beast women. He tried to make a way out, but she pointed out the cat for on his clothes, and just walked away. He wondered whether she's angry at him.
If you haven't already, please consider subscribing now to show the support to our channel. We hope to see you soon with another video right in this channel. Have a nice day.